My name is Lindsay Moran. I'm the registered dietitian at Connect Care 3, and today we're going to be making some healthy snacks. In front of me right now, I have the ingredients for banana chocolate chip oat bars. I really like the banana chocolate chip oat bars because they pack a lot of nutrition into a really tasty bar that the whole family will enjoy. The ingredients for this dish are 3 bananas. You want them to be pretty ripe because you're going to be mashing them. 2 cups of rolled oats, Greek yogurt, walnuts, chocolate chips, pepitas, cinnamon, some oil, and some vanilla extract. So the first step here is going to be to preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and then you're going to go ahead and mix together your ingredients. We're gonna start off here with our bananas. I'm gonna add them to our bowl, and what you're gonna wanna do is take a fork and mash them up as much as you can. After you've mashed your bananas, you're just gonna go ahead and simply add the rest of your ingredients to the bowl, and then we're gonna mix them all together. Once you've mixed together all of your ingredients, you're gonna go ahead and take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Then you're going to take your mixture and form it into little bars, almost gonna look like little ovals. You can make a rectangle, whatever is easiest for you. Don't be afraid to get messy here. Once you've formed all of your bars, you're gonna go ahead and put them in your preheated oven for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown. Take them out of the oven and they are ready to eat. I would probably let them cool for a few minutes, but then they're ready to go. Next up, we have the simple Greek yogurt dip. This flavorful treat makes eating fruits and vegetables more fun for adults and kids. The ingredients in the simple Greek yogurt dip are some plain non-fat Greek yogurt, some cinnamon, honey, and vanilla extract. Yogurt is a great source of protein, calcium, and potassium. Try to look for a yogurt that contains live active cultures or probiotics. To make this snack, it's really simple. All you gotta do is mix together these 4 ingredients into a bowl and you're ready to go. I hope you and your family enjoy these simple, quick recipes and are able to incorporate them in your weekly routine. Eat up.